Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the updates for Numeraire and NMR targets updates with my customer Cassette. What's going on recently? Let's dive in. First of all, guys, this is just an update because once again the people can write in the comments, so why you post that token which already pumped at 100% just in one single day? Guys, it's just an update because if you pay attention for the posts, you can go and find the big playlist with over than 500 tokens, detailed analysis, what I shared a year ago, 1.5 years ago. This video with absolutely the same level with the same FIB, shared in February 24. Here, 27 block, 10, 63, 409. All levels absolutely relevant and legit. So where we stopped at exactly at 0.5 level by FIB of this range. 1827, 0.5, sweep liquidity, what we leave it in June 22, sweep 110, form the double bottom, going higher. Tradable under fundamental value. So when we trade under fundamental value, it's good time for investment. If you use my customer Cassette, take profit indicator on the weekly time frame. I personally use it for investment. I'm not invested in NMR because I can't track, it's physically impossible. Track all tokens and invest money in. It's physically impossible. I invested in other tokens with the same strategy, with the same condition, Congrats everybody who accumulated under, watch it and not skip the video. Highly recommend you go find that post in free Telegram channel. Find the link to Notion. Go and find the list of over than 500 tokens with detailed analysis. Many of them still absolutely in the same zones where they've been in zone 24, zone 23. For example. So highly recommend you go and check, by the way, this video. With the targets, all targets here, explain it in details. What next for this token? Next target is, sooner or later, guys, we will test and go to 2232. But you have to understand, everything should be in time. You should be ready to see the drop down, the correction again. I will show you how low we can drop. Because risk ratio now, it's not good one, because a test of the buy line on weekly time frame next week, it's 33% down, and the gains to the take profit line is 32% up. That's why now we're in the middle. Time to buy was here at the fundamental value and the buy line. If the token tradable on the middle, guys, better skip the token for the trades or for investment. If you believe in this project, targets, guys, absolutely relevant. It's 0.5 level by FIB, $60.07. With this current circulation supply, $60.07, it's 481 million market capitalization, almost like all-time high by market cap. So all-time high by market cap was like 529. So with, let's say, new all-time high, let's say 600 million, we need to see $75. It's new all-time high by market capitalization. Where that level, it's around here. So 73, 75, it's 600 million market cap. So $80.86, it can be 86 cents, 647 million market capitalization. It can be the end of cycle for this. 67 cents, it can be the potential high. Not all-time high, for this stock, for this cycle, or 86. If you believe in new all-time high, it's $141. 41. It's around 129 million market capitalization. What to do now, guys? Better skip this token because sometimes some token needs a little bit calm down. The people will take a profit, and to avoid the liquidations of your even the second leverage position, better just wait and re-enter after, I don't know, maybe a few days. So now we pump it just in one day, guys, here in 2 days, 144%. Good one. That's why it will be so obvious if we will drop to test. Firstly, it's 1343. Test on the 4 hour time frame above the exit line. After that, take profit $12. Test take profit above, and in the next few days, most likely we will come back and test the buy line on the 4 hour time frame and the 12 hour time frame. Now the lines start curve up, so most likely we will see something like This one slowly but surely drop, test, and go higher. So this is a scenario, for example, for the beginning of September. If you believe we'll go from this current price higher, you can accumulate it now. We're not so far from the accumulation zone. Highly recommend you go and check the main video for this token. Based on indicators, guys, it was also obvious. A test of buy line, signals to buy on a daily time frame, fixation, and 3 signals to buy back. Weekly time frame, buyback was here in June 75. Now nothing. No signal to sell, nothing. No money outflow. So everything okay. Everything okay for this token, guys. For now. So this is not an end of cycle where we need to out. And next week, for example, of course, we can see the money outflow like it here. You can add alerts and track it. For now, guys, also not recommend you to try catch the short positions, because here this level is like a magnet for liquidations, and if you want to try to open short, you can catch that 21% with second leverage minus 40% liquidations stop loss on futures with the second leverage. So guys, be careful with positions. Now for now, better skip. If your entry being here at $7, even now it will be not a mistake to fix the profit and withdraw initial deposit. So just in case. If we double check with other indicators, ADZ, there is no data for this ticker. Money power, we can close. Direction here was so obvious, accumulation since February. The whales accumulate this token. So you build a plan, how to accumulate. So it's a 27 block, one reason. Second one, we trade on the weekly time frame under fundamental value. Second one, we see the signal to buy on trade on indicator. We see the accumulation based on direction, you accumulate on a spot. So the more reason, the more logical entry. So direction also here on the daily, no signal to fix the profit. So technically, yes, we can go to the take profit line on the weekly time frame, even a little bit higher, but guys, everything should be in time. Now it's a high risk for entry. Take a look, guys, with last indicator is market mood. Let's hide this one. Market mood, it's too overhyped. Time to buy was here. Capitulation zone in June. Now it's kind of late. Weekly time frame, it's still okay. It's just a positive. Last time when we saw the positive, it was here. In November, it's only 3. So from that time, from positive zone, approximately we pump it like 260. So if we will pump from now 260, it can be, yes, here, exactly the 0.5 level FIB. But guys, risk ratio, you should be ready to see the minus 40% drop in the next few weeks. I'm not telling you from today we have to drop, no. But just be ready for that. So now it's optimism. Recommendation, now take a pause and just wait the updates. Wait an updates for the next few days. If you buy in here, you already can fix and withdraw initial deposit. So guys, targets I showed you, updates I showed you. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would show in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.